Greetings and salutations, internet netizens. It is I, Wolfphototech, and is your body ready for this unboxing video? In the previous unboxing slash unpackaging video, I mentioned that I had a wave of packages pop in. That there's like 2 packages, and I only know of what one is because I order them in waves, and I look at the orders coming in, and then all of a sudden there's now two packages on one day where there's only one package that said was delivered. And I know Amazon will do this sometimes. They will send you a gift package after a while of buying stuff on there, and a little fly is pestering me. Anyways, I'm like, I have no clue what this could be because there's nothing that was listed since we're coming on that day besides the other item I did. This happens to be December 25th when I made this video. This is probably like January now when this video goes up. But I do not know what's in this package. You might actually know before me because you could see the gap and... Oh. Yeah, this is supposedly coming 2 days from now. Outdoor survival guide. I'm like, what? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm kind of like thrown off as to, sometimes that happens with Amazon apparently. Or is this one of their gift ones? I don't know. I think I ordered this, didn't I? Yeah, I'm gonna have to go check my, my Amazon in here. But I think I ordered it, but it says it's going to come in days from now. Brain fart, brain fart. Yeah, I'm brain farting hardcore on this. Now this is handy to have this little tablet now. It's actually a nice little tablet. I don't use it very much. I intended buying this tablet, but as specifically for let's go into the store. And my internet's really slow right now because it's December 25th when I'm making this video. And people are updating their new video game systems they just bought and all their new tech hardware. So I don't do the holidays much, so I'm waiting here for this to update. Oh, well. Yeah, it says try again. Problem connecting to Amazon right now. But as I can say right now, is that I didn't expect this coming in this soon. This is like days off. So... thank you very much for watching. Just going to exit out of this. Have a good evening. And thank you very much for coming back in the future.